Video number 10. How to use WhatsApp as a business owner or independent professional. As a communications tool, WhatsApp is simply great. It allows its users to chat in real time, and it supports multimedia, including video and voice messages. Messaging. WhatsApp can be considered the quickest means to target a relevant audience. It allows marketers to run promotions through visuals, voice notes, and videos. Also, you can introduce new products, offers, and promotions directly to relevant users. Profile picture. By using a WhatsApp profile picture, you can promote your brand, new offers, latest product, etc. For example, an apparel store can use its best-selling product as a profile picture. Before you upload your profile picture, make sure it's the one that draws the most attention to encourage your audience to engage with your brand. Profile status. You can use the status space to get creative, writing short messages to draw attention and increase curiosity among your audience. Group targeting. It is the best way to segment and target your customers. You can create groups of similar interests and start discussions. This way, you can take advantage of the feedback and get better insights. By doing this, there are more chances of your message to go viral, as the participants can share the content with their friends. Campaigns. You can encourage your customers to send pictures of them using your product or posing in front of your store billboard, etc. And in return, you offer to give them a discount coupon. It will help your small business acquire relevant contacts and grow. Internal communication. Mobile phones are part of our lives. Email, Facebook, and others are available for communicating, but none of them provide the same ease of use that WhatsApp does. This means that people in business groups notice the messages quicker, and the corresponding action also comes faster. For events. If your company is in the business of organizing events, a WhatsApp group is a great way to keep people informed about the event. You can post updates and multimedia content about your event, and even take pictures on your phone to share with members. Customer communication. People are more likely to respond to personal messages rather than to phone calls from unknown numbers. By using WhatsApp for customer communications, you will come to notice it is a better approach to your customers. More and more small businesses are now using WhatsApp to announce new offers because it allows you to keep in touch with domestic or international customers. Customer support. Because of WhatsApp's wider reach, it can be a great tool for customer support. It makes things easier for your customers. They'll always prefer to send you a message over WhatsApp rather than calling a help desk number. Nevertheless, choose WhatsApp as a customer support tool only if you have a reasonable number of customer requests, because responding to every message on WhatsApp may not be practical for companies that get hundreds of customer calls every day. Concierge service. This is an errand-running service that uses WhatsApp as a booking platform. You can order a cake, flower delivery, or courier service using WhatsApp. Food ordering using WhatsApp. Lots of local restaurants are now giving their users an option of ordering food using a WhatsApp message. They reply saying they have received your order and also mention the total bill amount and time for delivery. News reports. Many Brazilian newspapers have started to use WhatsApp as a channel to receive contributions from their readers. Images, audios, and videos sent through the app have also been used in published newspapers, TV, and the Internet. Other newspapers are using WhatsApp to deliver reports. Oxford Mail's WhatsApp news service tops 1,200 subscribers after 6 months. This chat app gets more clicks on story links than email or Twitter services, according to the paper's head of content. The local newspaper launched the service in mid-2014, and as of January has 1,265 subscribers across different threads. You can take advantage of WhatsApp because of the powerful communication tool that it is. Because of its simplicity, it has become widely popular, and you can use WhatsApp for your business in various ways. Using WhatsApp for marketing and promotion. WhatsApp can be used to send images, audio files, short video clips of your products, and text messages. Delivery chances are high, and there are few restrictions on the format. Bear in mind that you should not spam your customers with WhatsApp messages. You should use WhatsApp to connect with existing loyal customers rather than trying to reach new customers. In order to get a really good response, you need to come up with creative ways to promote your business using WhatsApp. For example, Colgate invited people to send selfies of their smile via WhatsApp, to a phone number displayed on the toothpaste pack. Video number 11. Top WhatsApp automation tools and services. Wasify. With Wasify, you can distinguish yourself from the competition by enjoying its unique service. It allows you to manage WhatsApp from your web browser, each chat from the right department, multi-agent system, and save time by sending canned responses to the most frequently asked questions. The features that make Wasify stand out are WhatsApp for customer support, unique customer service via WhatsApp in the world, chat with your customers anytime and anywhere, richer communications, send texts, images, videos, audios, and share contacts. Customer care is more personalized, fast, and more efficient from your desktop computer. Wasify uses a mobile number and a WhatsApp account under your name to allow you to easily exchange messages and information with your customers. Also, you can use autoresponders because they allow you to first give an automatic response to your customers when they start a chat. It's very useful for customers who contact you outside of your office hours, or if you want them to first read your terms before proceeding. Wasify lets you search within messages, whether the chat status is open or closed. Your communications will be secure and will be transmitted using the latest generation encryption with 2048-bit SSL certificates. In order to use the Wasify service, you only need a web browser to access the Wasify dashboard, a telephone number, a mobile device with Android system, and WhatsApp installed. The device will always have to be switched on. WhatsApp Marketing. WhatsApp Marketing was born in the UK in 2013 as the first platform for massive messaging via WhatsApp. Its intent was to increase sales and conversions in leads from an average of 3.9% in each marketing campaign using short messages. It provides the possibility of creating contact lists with the mobile phone numbers of your prospects and sends texts, pictures, V-cards, and viral videos to an unlimited number of recipients. These innovative marketing strategies with bulk messages via WhatsApp allow companies to send 1,000 characters per message with pictures or videos, which makes this application a successful alternative to traditional SMS marketing. This website offers multiple limited subscriptions. The greater the number of messages in a subscription, the less the cost per message would be. Some characteristics at WhatsApp Marketing are customized sender ID, only iPhone iOS. Support 24/7, 353 days a year. Live chat. Auto-reply messages for free. Credits never expire. Purchase credits with invoice. Unlimited sending of bulk WhatsApp messages, text messages, audio, video, photos, and vCard. BrainPulse. BrainPulse provides access to a control panel that allows you to upload your own list of targeted audiences and thus run marketing campaigns. It also makes detailed reports available to measure the progress of your campaign in real time. You only need to follow 3 easy steps. 1. Load your own list, and the system will check that the numbers are valid for WhatsApp. 2. Load your campaign in text, image, video, or audio format, and select the list you want to send the message to. 3. Click on Go. Marketers are having a great time with the WhatsApp service, running effective marketing campaigns. Most vendors have a variety of WhatsApp software. These programs are being used as customized tools to help spread campaigns to the right audience. The software performs all its features using one single interface. These programs allow you to send text, picture, video, or audio throughout the campaign. Webxion. Webxion is a service provider of images, video, and audio, based in Pune, India. It provides a marketing service inside India and internationally. Their server makes sure you are connected with your customers wherever you may be. It has a network of servers to ensure its effectiveness is 100%. As a service provider in the mobile messaging service of India, it has all the features currently available in the industry. They also offer a special combo for Indian users with promotional credit messages. The features to this combo are: you pay a small fee in exchange for sending a WhatsApp message to anyone around the world. The cost of the messages varies depending on the country. By using the WhatsApp marketing service, you can send text files, images, videos, and audio to promote your product at any time, 24/7 and 365 days a year. 1 credit equals an image, video, text, or audio message. Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply WhatsApp marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of WhatsApp. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate WhatsApp marketing the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video number 1, which is the introduction video, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what WhatsApp is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of WhatsApp marketing before you start working on it. In video number 3, you will learn why you should definitely use WhatsApp for your business today. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start getting into it right away. In video numbers 4 through 10, you will learn how your business can get the most out of WhatsApp. We will cover topics like setting up and getting to know your account, WhatsApp settings, WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp contacts, WhatsApp web, and how to use it as a business owner and independent professional. In video number 11, you will learn the top WhatsApp automation tools and services that you can use for your business. These are several tools dedicated to giving you highly useful services for WhatsApp marketing, so you can get the most out of it. In video number 12, you will learn 10 do's you have to apply for successful WhatsApp marketing. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful WhatsApp marketing. If you ignore these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking WhatsApp marketing case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how WhatsApp marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story. In video number 15, you will learn how to make tons of money with WhatsApp as an online marketer, strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate WhatsApp marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training.